Everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use snap angle in AutoCAD while drafting some solar layouts. So let's first of all we take address in which we can use snap angle, like that is not at 90 degree. So I'll take some random address from Google. Let's say I'll take this this address. I'll take out snip out of this. I'll just take the snip like this. I'll just capture this and I'll just paste it on desktop. Save. I'll just close this. Desktop. Save. Yeah, I'll close this one also. And what I'll do is I'll just use command im image. Just click here. Go to desktop. I'll give the path here. Just click open. Here you can see like this. I'll just paste it here like this. Now I want to take the snap angle of this house. So this will be like not not exact but approximate snap angle of the house. So what I'll do is I'll just type snap angle command, snap angle, press enter or space. I'll turn off ortho mode and I'll give from here like this first point, and I'll select the second point here like this. As you can see, now my cursor is changed to different direction. If I press space like this, so here you can see in bottom 57.98. So what I'll do is now I'll give the round figure. So I'll type 58, 58 and press enter. But let's say for example, here like this, I'll use the snap angle 0 like this. I'll draw one line. I'll turn on ortho mode. I'll draw one line. Here you can see if I rotate this line to 58 degree, and if I places the place like, see, this line is not at 58 degree. As you can see, this one is 0 or 360, this one is 90, this one is 180, this one is 270 here, and this one is 360. And if I'm typing snap angle, if I'm typing snapping angle and if I'm giving command, let's say I have taken this line, and if I'm rotating this line to 58 degree, 58, so it is coming here like this. Okay, but this is not the case. If I open the calculator, I'll do 360 minus 58, this is 302, and if I minus by 180, so this house is at 1 1 to 2 degree angle, not at 58 degree. Here you can see there is uh, from here it is not at 58 degree. No rays of this house is at 58 degree. And if I minus 90 also, so this one is at, if I go here like this one is at 32 degree. Here like you can see 32 degree, and this one is at 122 plus 90, 122 degree. Okay, so this is not at 58 degrees. So what I will do is, in this case we will type snap angle minus 32 degree. So you can see here, now the direction of house from 0 degree or 360 degree is accurate, is at accurate angle like this. Here you can see uh, this, if I draw lines while turning on ortho mode, if I'm drawing line like this from here, so the lines of the house, I'll draw some rough layouts like this, and from here like this and like this. So you can see this line is at 32 degree, 32 degree, and this line from here to this direction, it is 32 degree, and from here to this direction, this direction, it is 122 degree, and if I plus 90 also, 212, and from here to this direction, it is no, no, from here to this is 122, and from here to this direction, this one is 212, 212 degree, and if I plus 90 also, and from this ridge to this direction, it is 302 degree. So this is now the accurate angle of the house. So you should always take, like, getting the snap angle, so you should always minus by 360 degree to get the accurate angle from the north point. So got it? So this is the way you can use snap angle in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.